This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Nancy Chandler. Affordable Golf Links Garden Home is now available. Beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom 1-level home with vinyl and ceramic tile throughout the home. POA takes care of all mowing, edging and sprinkler systems so you have zero maintenance on your yard. Fabulous floor plan, open living, kitchen and dining area. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and the generous-sized kitchen. Master bedroom has attached bathroom and walk-in closet. Unfinished area for storage above garage, with stairway. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Chandler at 501-282-4527.